I didn't know it worked until I tried it. Let me show you right now how to speed up your PS5 and maximize performance in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do, go ahead and turn off your PS5. Just turn it off. Once your PS5 is completely off, just press and hold down the power button for 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Let's do it. 1 beep. Just keep holding down the power button the second beeps. Okay, you can release the power button now. Then you will see on your TV or monitor that your PS5 will be on safe mode. And also it says right here that you have to connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PS5 button. Let's do that. Here I have the USB to Type-C cable. Let's connect the cable on the PS5. Now let's connect the cable in the PS5 controller. Just like that. Now we have to press the PlayStation logo on the controller right here. Then right on your face you will see a whole menu with 8 different settings. So what you're gonna do now, using the D-pad, you're gonna go down until it says clear cache. Just press the X. Right here make sure you have select clear system software cache. Just press the X. Then select OK. Your PS5 is gonna reboot. You will not lose anything, guys. All your personal data, games data, everything will be there. You're only gonna clear the cache, okay? So after that, just press the PS5 logo and your PS5 will be good to go. So everything still looks the same, but it's a lot faster than before. Now your games will open faster, will close faster. If you turn on your PlayStation, it will load faster than before. And the good thing about that, guys, is that if your PS5 was having problem, it will fix the problem. Just by clearing the cache, it can fix any issue on your PS5 that you not even know it has.